Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 7 of this mid-rise apartment building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to group this and add it to all levels. We also put a roof, and then now we're gonna focus on the ground here. So let's go to level 1 and then click on floor. So I'm gonna use or create another floor. So I'm gonna duplicate this, floor number 2. Or actually, we're gonna use floor number 1 for the inside first, and then we're gonna go and create for the outside. So for now, let's add in this floor all the way to the perimeter. And then let's not forget this. So I'm gonna use this pick line to make it easy. And then after that, I'm gonna use split element to split this. So once we split this, we can now use trim and extend. So I'm gonna trim this side, make sure this is connecting, and then trim this one. Let's do the one on the other side. And then click finish. So we have our floor on our first level. Now let's add in some grass at the outside. So now let's go to architecture, floor, and then let's edit this type and duplicate. Floor number 2, okay. Edit. Let's use grass for this. Okay, and then okay. And then for now, let's add the grass like so. And then the one for the perimeter on this. Use the pick line again to go over here. And then the split element. TR for trim and extend. And then now we're gonna use this line so that we could put a line on this. So basically the front entrance. And then let's put a split element here and then trim this. We're also gonna trim this as we still have to put an overhead garage door. And then don't forget to split element this side as well. And then trim this. Okay, so now let's click finish. So there's an error I forgot to trim this part, and then click finish. Let's look at it at 3D. So we still have to do this. So go to Insert, Load Family, and then Doors. Look for Overhead Rolling. Click Open. And then now click on Door. And we could add it here. So let's change the height. Let's put this one at 3000 and then apply. So looking good. And then now let's put in some concrete here. So level 1. Let's remove this line now. This is just a detailed line that we added earlier. And then go to architecture again and floor. We could use floor number 1, but let's change this. And let's just create another floor. Duplicate. This will be floor number 3, edit. And let's change this to just random. So let's put this one. So we have our concrete, or yeah, something to design here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create like a step here. So another floor. So level 1 and then floor. And then I'm just gonna duplicate this. 4. I'm gonna maintain the same materials, but I'm gonna put it at 200 thickness. So this is basically the driveway. And what we could do is we're gonna make it all around. I won't bother with the one at the back because I'm not gonna show that. So I'm just gonna trim this and then delete the remaining. Click finish. And then this one will be offset -100 and then apply. we can actually extend this a little bit so that we can create a parking lot in front. So I'm gonna edit this. So I'm gonna extend it like this. So I'll just put the parking lot here. And then finish. So once we put this into Twinmotion, or once we send it to Twinmotion, I'm gonna edit this part, or I'm gonna design this area for parking lot. And then what I can do is I'm gonna edit this and then put it on this side to have a driveway. So I'm just gonna edit this, edit type. So I'm gonna delete this part. And I'm just gonna put this one on the side. AL. And then let's trim this. And click finish. And this one, I'm gonna edit this as well. I'm gonna use this pick line. Delete this and this. And use trim TR and extend. So it looks good. I'm just gonna edit this again. And then here, I wanna create an exit. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna split this, TR, And I'm gonna use this fillet arc. So something like this. So I'm gonna mirror this. So I'm just trim and extending this. And then we might as well just finish this off. And then I'm gonna edit this one for the grass. I just want to put some grass on this side. And might as well for the back. This one, I'm just gonna add this AL. So we have everything now. Maybe we should extend this one at the ends as well. So let me do that. So that we could show some cars outside. And then let me check it again. So we're gonna put some grass and trees here. Grass as well here on this side. This will be the road. So let me change this more. So the best thing is we could use this. So we're just going around this part. We could delete this. And then use trim for this part. And then now we just need to close this. and click finish. So our shot will be like this, looking over the building. You can also mirror this on this side. So it looks good. We could put some background building on this side and even on this side. So it looks good. I'm just gonna extend this. So now let's test our camera or our view. So it will look like this. Then we could put some trees here and some background at the back. And some cars here. So it looks good. I like it. So in the next video, we're gonna export this to Twinmotion. We're gonna add in the materials, and for sometimes we're gonna come back to Revit to change some stuff. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.